if the key to preventing dangerous low blood sugar wasn't in your pancreas? What if it wasn't in your liver either? What if it was hidden deep inside your brain all along? And what if that same key was broken in people with diabetes? Well, a groundbreaking new discovery from UC Davis Health has found exactly that. A hidden sugar switch in the brain. Wow. A switch that can launch a rescue mission during hypoglycemia. You got my attention now. This just isn't a new drug, it's a whole new pathway. It could redefine how we protect people from severe unexpected lows, like me. So please stay with me because this changes your understanding of blood sugar control forever. Hi, friends. Please pull up a chair. We're about to dive into some of the most exciting diabetes research. I just flipped upside down when I came across this article. This comes straight from a news release by UC Davis Health. It's about a brand new discovery inside the brain. I'm going to walk you through what they found. I'll explain why it matters so much for anyone who fears hypoglycemia like me. And we'll explore what this could mean for future treatments. We'll go from the scary problem to the brilliant and very positive aha moments. And we will end with the real hope this brings. Let's break this down together. Are you ready? Let's go. Friends, if you are passionate about understanding the science that could change diabetes care, please make sure to consider subscribing. We're here to translate the complex into clear, digestible information to make it so much easier for your next trip at the doctor's. So what's this scary information about hypoglycemia? Well, for people managing diabetes with insulin, a severe low is a life-threatening emergency. It's the single biggest barrier to effective diabetes management. Been there, done that. Your body has a natural defense. It releases a hormone called glucagon. Glucagon tells your liver to release stored sugar. But in diabetes, this defense system often fails. This condition is called hypoglycemia associated automatic failure, HAAF. Well, I definitely had that when I had my nightmare in the hospital. The groundbreaking discovery. All right, let's get into the science from UC Davis team. This was published in a prestigious journal, Cell Metabolism. Researchers were studying the brain, specifically an area of the brain called the BNST. All right, this area wasn't previously known for a major role in blood sugar control. See, this is the whole thing. Nowadays, we're finally starting to take sugar seriously. It was like finding a secret street on a map nobody knew existed. Wow, here we go. Here's what they found. The aha moment. They discovered a special pathway in this BNST. A switch, metaphorically speaking, that when activated can trigger a powerful release of this glucagon. The trigger. What flips this switch? The hormone called glucogen-like peptide 1. Yes, if you guessed, the same hormone targeted by familiar drugs. I'm sure you've heard of this. But in this new brain pathway, the GLP-1 signals sugar is in a crisis. What's the proof? Activating this BNS pathway works. It pronounced a robust glucogen response that raised blood sugar during hypoglycemia. So, what's the problem in diabetes? Here's the critical part. This brilliant backup system is impaired by diabetes. Wow, wow, wow. We're getting more information every day. But the switch is there, but it's broken. Oh my gosh, are you following with me? This could be fundamental why the HAF happens. Now, what's the future bringing us? Now, here is the incredibly hopeful part. This is exactly why you watch this channel, because understanding the problem is the first step to the solution. Here comes some light at the end of the tunnel. Senior researcher Mark Evans explained their finding. He said, "We have found a backup system for stabilizing blood glucose levels." He continued on in the article saying, "This offers new potential target for drugs to prevent hypoglycemia." Did you hear this? Imagine a future treatment that doesn't just replace the insulin, a treatment that also protects you from the most dangerous side effects, a drug that could gently activate this brain circuit. It could prevent the lows, especially during vulnerable hours of sleep. Oh, yes. This discovery opens the door to that reality. Now, what does this mean for you today? Okay, friends, this is where we bring it home. This is a preclinical research, meaning it's in the early stage with animal models. Please don't hurt the animals. Okay, the next step is to confirm it works the same way in humans. So, what does that mean? What is your action plan? This is hope. It's not yet a current cure. The news is a beacon of light for the future of diabetes and hypoglycemic care. It shows brilliant minds are working on solving hypoglycemia at its root. I thought I would live my whole life with hypoglycemia, but it looks like maybe not. So far, it's been 30 years. So you are on track, my friends. Your current vigilance is what keeps you safe. Checking your blood sugar, as you know, carrying fast-acting glucose tablets, etc. We have to do it, right? The research reinforces how important this is. Please, friends, talk to your doctor. I can't say it enough. If you're like me, then this is definitely on my list to talk to my doctor in my next visit. Or if you are considering a GLP-1 medication, please talk to your endocrinologist, all of the doctors on your team. Please let our community know in the public comments below if you've tried this medicine already. How is it working for you? Okay? Science is always evolving. We have to stay informed. I can't say it enough. Being aware of the research, up to date, is what empowers you. It helps you to have more information, more informed conversations, and have hope for the future. Like I said, I thought I was going to die with hypoglycemia, but according to this article, no. Okay? Oh, and by the way, before I forget, I have created a free 52 swap possibility guide for you. It's full of tips you can talk to your doctor about trying out, and the link is in the description below. You don't need anything, any email or anything like that. You just download it. All right, Let's recap here. We broke down a major discovery in this video, a hidden brain pathway that acts as a sugar switch. We saw how it is triggered by GLP-1. And we learned why it's impaired in diabetes, leading to the dangerous lows. You now have a glimpse into the cutting edge of diabetes science and research. You understand the future of treatment may lie in fixing the body's own broken alarms. That's the power of being informed. That's why we do this together. And please remember, friends, to check and ask your family doctor, your endocrinologist, and or even your dietitian. I talked to my dietitian about this before changing or implementing anything mentioned on this channel or any other channel, as I am not a doctor. I am your empowerment educator. If this research gives you hope for a safer future, please do consider to tap that like button and subscribe for more updates. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about this discovery? Do you know anyone who is taking this medication and trying out this in a clinical setting? Together with science on our side, we can move forward. Okay, my friends, it was a pleasure, and I will see you in the next one.